Hello guys. Understand that one of the main secrets in swing trading, which is short-term trading or what we call trend followers, you should take a look at what the industries are doing. Okay? Now, if you get this whole picture, you will understand where to find stocks. Although for me, there are two ways. Either you search using stock screener, which is the easiest way, which is what we call training level 2, how to search stocks for using stock screener with some criteria, beginning of the trend. Now, there is another way, which is training level 3, which to use the industry index to find stocks. Okay? So I will just show you that industries in the market are not the same. Some people think that if the market is going up, all the industries in the market and sectors are doing the same, which is not. Now, what is the reason? The reason is, as I told you always, the reason is the buyer, who most of them are the big buyers in the market, who are the mutual funds. Okay? These managers, they select stocks according to their opinion. It doesn't mean that those companies that they choose are always good, because sometimes you find a company doesn't make that much money and it's not that good, but you find the stock is going so good and it makes trends and a lot of people make money from a company that doesn't make that much money. Okay? So that's why most of the people, they don't understand the difference between a company and it's a stock. It's two words that are separate. Okay? Investors always try to think that if a company is good, the stock will be going up. This is not true. Okay? And the market is always giving us a true information about that. So let's go to the chart. Okay? And explain to you this kind of changes between industries. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now this is one industry. It's called specialty eateries. This is a leisure sector. You see this industry, it is not the same. It's not the same what it does. It's not the same as the Dow Jones, for example. See this chart, and I will put the Dow Jones, the 30 stocks, what they are doing, the chart. Okay? You see, they are not doing the same. The Dow Jones are doing excellent since the first day here, which is 7th of November 2016. It means it's like 1 year and 3 months. So 1 year and 3 months, the Dow Jones, the 30 stocks are doing so good, as you can see the trend. But if you go to this industry, which is a specialty eateries, a leisure sector, it's not doing that good. Now, let's go to the other one. This is doing good. 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 Now, if you go to drugs, generic industry in the drugs sector, this is not doing good. Now, if you have stocks here, you will have problem following the trend. because they go down in July 27, 2017. They go down. Okay, the whole market, they in the index of Dow Jones go down in February. Okay, it's here. After that, yes, here in February, in this part here. But this industry has gone down since July 2017. It means this is not as good as the market is doing. Another one, the application software is excellent. As you can see, okay, it's like October 2016. It means 1 year and 3 months, like all the other thing. You see how excellent it is. Now, if you are having some stocks here, you will have made a lot of money from this industry. Another one, this is another thing. We are not. Another good one. Another one. Excellent. Excellent. This, it was so good at the beginning, but you know, it has trouble. This one, it has trouble also, the tobacco, the cigarettes industry, it has a problem. Since it has gone down here in June 2017, it has been going down. Okay, so it doesn't do like the market, although here it was doing so good at first. Another one is not doing as much as good as the other ones. Excellent. Asset management industry, financial services. This tobacco sector, as I told you, is not doing that good. Excellent. The beverages, wineries and distilleries industry in food and beverage sector is doing excellent for a long time. Now, let's give you this example. Drug-related products. Industry in drugs sector, you see how bad it is. Now, if you last year, if you have bought stocks in drug-related products industry, you will have problems. Maybe you have bought and you sold, you bought and you sold because this industry is not doing good. But if you have seen this industry before, at the beginning here, you will understand that this industry stocks are bad. Now, I say most of them, not all of them, but most of them are bad. So this is just an idea that I give you just to see what's going on in the market. So all this what I show you is based on my training level 3, which is how to search for stocks using an industry index. An industry, which is the industry that has those stocks, shows you the majority of the stocks what they are doing. Now, for me, when I see an index, what I see where the money is, where the mutual funds are putting their money, where they are buying, and where they are selling. This is a precious information. If you get to use what I use, you will be making money for sure in the market. Because the market, you should follow trends. If you don't know how to follow trends, you should be a day trader, okay? You should do a day trading. Even if you are an investor, if you see the index, let's say for example, you bought the Dow Jones 30 stocks. You bought some stocks from Dow Jones, okay? So these stocks, let's say they do the same as the index, which is Dow Jones index. What does it mean? It means for 1 year and some months, you are making money for real. Okay? As you see, the index is doing so good. But if you go to another index and you choose some stocks there, and you see the index is not doing so good, it's going up and down, you will not make money, and you will see it in the index. That's why I suggest that you always try to look at the indexes, although it's not, they are not so important, because there are stocks inside the index. Okay? And next video, I will show you the Dow Jones stocks, and I will show you that they are not all doing the same. So it's up to you. If you use my training level 2 and training level 3, it means how to search for stocks, you will have a clear idea what is the criteria that you should choose in order to find like these trends. Because you should find the trend at the beginning, not at the end of the trend. You see the trend is good and you want to jump in and you want to buy. This is the idea of the beginners. The beginners, if you are a beginner, when you see something nice, you want to be part of it because there is success. Because you see the trend is so good and you want to enter because you see the past. But when we trade, we are trading the future. We are not trading the past. You should be from the beginning. Now this beginning, it has some criteria that you should know. If you know this criteria, you will be from those who buy the first with mutual fund at the beginning of the trend. Now the trend, if it goes 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 8 months, 9 months, this is a short-term trading, okay? Because it's not investing. We don't look at the company fundamentals at all, okay? This is swing trading, and this is what I do, and this is how I make my money, and this is what I teach for everybody who wants to learn, okay? So thank you very much, and have a nice day.